If Adobe Photoshop CC is not opening on your Windows computer, don't worry, because this is actually a very common problem, and it's usually caused by corrupted preferences, GPU issues, or a problem with Adobe Creative Cloud. In this video, I'm going to walk you through several simple fixes you can try step by step to get Photoshop working again. Make sure you follow along from the first solution to the last, because the earlier fixes are usually the fastest and solve the problem for most people. And if this tutorial helps you fix Photoshop on your computer, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's start with the first fix. The first thing you should do is force close Photoshop and relaunch it. Sometimes Photoshop fails to open simply because a background process is stuck. To fix this, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard at the same time to open Task Manager. Once Task Manager opens, look through the list of running processes and find anything related to Adobe Photoshop or Adobe Creative Cloud. Click on Photoshop if you see it, then click End Task. Do the same for Adobe Creative Cloud if it appears in the list. This completely stops any stuck processes. After everything is closed, try launching Photoshop again from your desktop or Start menu and see if it opens normally. If Photoshop still won't start, the next fix is resetting Photoshop preferences. This is actually the most common solution because corrupted preference files often stop Photoshop from launching properly. To reset them, locate your Photoshop shortcut but do not open it yet. Hold down Ctrl, Alt, and Shift on your keyboard, and while holding those keys, launch Photoshop. A prompt will appear asking if you want to delete the Adobe Photoshop settings file. Click Yes to confirm. Photoshop will now rebuild fresh default preference files the next time it launches. In many cases, this immediately fixes the problem and allows Photoshop to start normally again. If resetting preferences didn't solve the issue, the next step is updating or repairing Photoshop through Adobe Creative Cloud. Open the Adobe Creative Cloud application on your computer and go to the Apps section. Find Adobe Photoshop in the list of installed apps. If an update is available, click Update and allow it to install the latest version. Updates often fix startup bugs and compatibility problems. If Photoshop is already up to date, you can also try uninstalling it directly from Creative Cloud and then reinstalling it. This replaces any missing or damaged program files that might be preventing Photoshop from opening. Another important thing to check is whether your computer meets the system requirements for Photoshop CC. Photoshop requires a 64-bit version of Windows 10 or Windows 11, at least 8 GB of RAM, although 16 GB is recommended for better performance, and a graphics card that supports DirectX 12. If your graphics drivers are outdated, Photoshop may fail to launch. To update them, visit the website of your GPU manufacturer, such as NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest driver for your graphics card. After installing the new driver, restart your computer and try opening Photoshop again. Finally, if none of the previous fixes worked, you should clear the Adobe Creative Cloud cache, because a corrupted cache can prevent Adobe applications from launching properly. First, close Photoshop in any Adobe apps that are running. Then open File Explorer and navigate to the following folder: C Drive, Users, your username, App Data, Local, and then Adobe. Inside this Adobe folder, look for a folder called OOBE. Delete the OOBE folder completely. After that, restart Adobe Creative Cloud and sign back into your Adobe account. Once Creative Cloud reloads, try launching Photoshop again and it should now open correctly. And that's it. Those are the most effective ways to fix Adobe Photoshop CC not opening on Windows. One of these solutions usually resolves the problem quickly. If this video helped you fix Photoshop, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful software tutorials. And I'll see you in the next video.